Assalamu alaikum, Nida here from Amchi, Mumbai. After 35 days of long voyage, here we are in Yantian, China. Finally, मैंने land देखा है इतने time बाद. It was a very long journey. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean पार करके अभी मैं साउथ चाइना सी में हूँ. आई फील वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर टुमारो शो लीव. मैंने आगे एक क्लिप ऐड की है पायलट एज की. ये जो पायलट है वो हमारे शिप पे आ रहे हैं. ही इज़ गोइंग टू एंटर थ्रू आर इंजन रूम. इंजन रूम में एक छोटा सा विंडो है जहाँ से वो एंटर करेंगे. देर आर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वेज. ये एक वे है जहाँ से वो आ रहे हैं. इट लुक्स वेरी ईजी बट दिस इज़ नॉट ईजी. इट्स वेरी विंडी. It's very difficult to, you know, climb and come up. It's not that easy. You need a lot of courage, you need a lot of strength, physical strength, emotional strength, and even mental strength while climbing the ship. It's not an easy task, and at the same time it's very very risky. Whenever we see someone, we feel that the work is very easy, but the only person who is doing it knows how much courage it takes to complete a certain task. It may be a small task or it may be a big task. It takes a lot of courage. Here, our pilot is going back and he's already there on ship safely. So, coming on ship safely and going from ship safely is very, very important. Here, I'm going to show you some activities of port. यहाँ पर 7 gantries चल रही है. It's a very busy port and they are very efficient here. They were very quick. The entire process, alhamdulillah, was going very smoothly. Discharging of containers and taking the containers, it plays a very very important role. How you're going to balance the entire ship, because it's a floating body, so it is very important to maintain that entire balance. See, check how they have locked the container and they are taking it out safely. There are many ships around us and each and every ship is going through some or other process. किसी का बर्थिंग चल रहा है, कोई अपने डिपार्चर रिपोर्ट्स रेडी कर रहे हैं, कुछ लोग शो लीव के लिए जाने के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं. एंड ये छोटी छोटी टग बोट्स जो आपने देखी अभी, ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल करता है एंटायर प्रोसेस में. ये मर्स का एक शिप है. ये देखिए टग बोट्स प्लेज अ वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट रोल. ये बड़े छोटे बोट्स लगते हैं मगर बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है ये पूरे के पूरे प्रोसीजर में. इनके बिना हेल्प के हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. सिमिलरली जैसे विदाउट इंजन डिपार्टमेंट डेक डिपार्टमेंट कांट डू एनीथिंग, विदाउट डेक डिपार्टमेंट इंजन डिपार्टमेंट कांट डू एनीथिंग. शिप पे एक हायरार्की फॉलो होती है और वो हायरार्की जो है वो काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है. बट ईच एंड एवरीबडी इज़ डिपेंडेड ऑन each and everyone. So it may be, if you're a master, if you're a chief officer, if you're a second officer, third officer, you may be a training ETO, or you may be a ETO, or you may be an AB, you may be a bosun, you may be a training cook, you may be a third engineer, fifth engineer, fourth engineer, chief engineer, anyone. Each and everybody plays a very very important role. And not only them, even this people who are there on tugboat, they play a very important role. The pilot plays a very very important role. This is a very crucial activity. If you will understand, you will understand only when you are there on ship. You will not understand by seeing it. This seems to be very easy, but it's not that easy. सबका कुछ ना कुछ रोल है and everybody has to do their role fairly so that everything goes smoothly. Okay, now look at this, how tugboats are putting so much of efforts. See how the ship is turning. See, look at this. See, slowly and gradually the ship has taken the turn. Look at the beautiful view and look at each and everybody. It may be a truck driver, it may be a bus driver. Everybody is there in this zone. It's too noisy here and too busy. और शिप के अंदर इतनी आवाज़ नहीं आती when we close our doors and our windows are closed, so we can't hear anything inside. Little voice, but not that much. See the hustle and bustle. Look around, there are so many gantries and so many ships around this port. Everybody is busy. Beautiful view है. इतने सारे कंटेनर्स देख के आपको पता चल गया होगा कि ये इंडस्ट्री कितनी वास्ट है और इसमें कितनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आ सकती हैं. फ्रॉम योर पिन टिल योर शूज़ till your mobile, everything is inside this containers. Even your food वो भी रिफर्स में आता है. तो आप जो खाना खाते हो, जो कपड़े पहनते हो, आप जो गाड़ी चलाते हो, ये सब कुछ इसी के अंदर आता है. और आपकी गाड़ी में जो तेल जाता है वो भी इसी के अंदर आता है. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वेसल. दिस इज़ अ कंटेनर वेसल. सो यू डू हैव oil carrier, you do have gas carrier, you do have car carrier. There are different types of vessel. If you want to see different types of vessel, write in comment section. I will try to upload it whenever I see them. Okay, like, share and subscribe my channel to get more information about ship, about family on boat, and about different places which I have explored during my show leave, and the places I have not explored during my show leave due to immigration problem or rules problem. I will update you each and everything.